Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shadowplay not working. Let's begin. So what you want to do first is you need to go to the NVIDIA website, so www.nvidia.com, and then you're going to look for the GeForce Experience area. Ensure that NVIDIA GeForce Experience and your GPU drivers are fully updated. Outdated software can cause Shadowplay to malfunction. Open GeForce Experience, go to the Drivers tab, and check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. So if you go to the website, what you can do is you can go to the Support tab, and then you can go to Drivers. So it says here, finding and downloading the latest drivers for your product will help you avoid software issues. So then you go and select it. And then you can choose the automatic driver updates, where it's going to scan your PC for required PC components, and then it's going to download the drivers for you. Or you can also manually install the drivers by searching them up here. So they're manual driver search. They can just search for the product type, the product series, the product, and the operating system, language, and then download type. And then you can start downloading by using the start search here. Next, confirm that Shadowplay is enabled. Open GeForce Experience, click the settings gear icon, and ensure that in-game overlay is turned on. If it's already enabled but still not working, try toggling it off and back on. Another common issue is related to permissions. Run GeForce Experience as an administrator to ensure it has the necessary access. Right-click the app icon, select Run as Administrator, and see if that resolves the issue. If Shadowplay isn't detecting your game, check whether it's running on full screen mode. Shadowplay often won't record games running in windowed or borderless window modes. Switch to full screen in your game settings, then try recording again. You should also check the hotkey settings. Sometimes the default hotkeys for recording or saving clips can be overridden by other apps or system functions. Open the GeForce Experience settings and make sure the hotkeys are set to keys that aren't used elsewhere. If these options don't work, then the last thing that you can try to do is you can open up your audio settings, and then Shadowplay might not record sound if the wrong input or output device is selected. Go to the sound settings in Windows, confirm that your primary playback device is correctly set, and ensure Shadowplay is configured to record system audio and microphone if needed. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.